Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today we will be making butter sevai recipe. Butter sevai is a very popular street side dish made with rice vermicelli. I'll be using dry rice noodles for making this recipe. This can be made with fresh noodles also. We will be using about 200 grams of rice noodles for making the recipe. Add boiling hot water to the dry noodles. Make sure that it's completely immersed in hot water. Leave it aside for 3 to 4 minutes or according to what the package instruction says. After the set time, our rice noodles should be well hydrated and soft. Drain the rice noodles on a colander. Our soft and fluffy noodles is ready. Set aside. Heat oil in a wide pan. Any kind of vegetable oil will work fine for this recipe. Add in the fennel seeds, a few sprigs of curry leaves, and some finely minced ginger. Saute these for a few seconds for the curry leaves to crisp up. Add in the chopped onions and the sliced green chilies. Adjust the green chilies according to your taste. Saute the onions for a few minutes till they are soft. Once the onions are soft, add in the tomatoes and the salt. Cook for a few minutes till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add in the black pepper powder. Add in any ready-made or store-bought chicken masala powder. Saute for a few seconds so the powders become aromatic. At this stage, add in a couple of tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mix well for the butter to melt and mix with the masala. Once the butter is melted, add in the rehydrated rice noodles. Add in some chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well to combine. Our delicious butter sevai is now ready. It is usually served with a simple coconut chutney. It is best served hot, so serve immediately. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.